Today I'm showing you how to make special noodles that are quick and delicious. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking. First, you boil your noodles. Try not to overcook them at all. Drain and set aside while we quickly fry our eggs. Then this is me frying my chopped onions in our heated oil. Then adding your chopped fresh pepper, adding your chopped carrot, and then the Indomie spices. Allow to cook for some minutes, then adding your noodles. I like adding my yellow, green and red pepper when the noodles is almost done because they are already soft, Allow to cook for a little more time, then add any protein of your choice. Yuppie! Look at that, the special noodle is ready. Doesn't this look mouth-watering? Let me know if you'll be trying this out. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.